Hey guys, here are the air conditioners in 3 rows. So start right here. This is the Frigidaire 5000 BTU window air conditioner. This right here is currently my air conditioner. Yes. Normally, this is my air conditioner, but my mother is borrowing it right now. But my mother is borrowing it right now. I'll take it back when summer's over. Just so you know. And here is a window air conditioner that I have ever owned once upon a time. It is a Sharp 8500 BTU window air conditioner. Some of the oil and stuff like that are bent, and some of the side curtains on here are in bad shape, as you can see. They used to be in good shape when I got it new once upon a time. It has a Massateja compressor. The compressor is going very well and too strong. It's also got a Samsung fan motor in here. Samsung fan motor. Right there. And right here is a Frigidaire 8000 BTU window air conditioner. It's got fan motor in here. Yeah, it's got cool looking fan motor. And right there is a compressor and stuff like that. So as you can see, there's a kitchen window right here. This is where I had an air conditioner installed there at one time, like for 2 summers, and I also had a Frigidaire 5000 BTU in this window. The exterior part was sticking out, and I had a Frigidaire 8000 BTU in here, and in the condensing part was sticking out. Now I don't have an air conditioner in the kitchen window. Because the window to my sister's room, no air conditioner. The window to one of the bedrooms in the basement, no air conditioner in those kinds of windows.